Takeaway is mediocre and expensive, so let's fix that. Recently, I ran into a problem of wanting to get some Chinese takeout, but it was going to cost about $60 for the two of us. Instead, I figured might as well make it at home for cheaper and better. First things first, let's prepare the chicken. Grab some chicken breast and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Today I'll be doing them about 1 inch in size, but whatever size you want is fine as well. Just make sure that they're roughly the same size. Now, let's move on to the marinade. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of baking soda or bicarbonate soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Mix everything together until the chicken is fully coated, and then set it aside for 30 minutes to soak up all those wonderful flavors. While we wait for the marinade to work its magic, let's prepare the batter. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking soda or bicarbonate soda, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Lastly, add 1 to 1.5 cups of water, depending on how thick you prefer your batter. I personally like mine on the thicker side, aiming for a pancake-like consistency. Now that the batter's ready, it's time to heat up the deep fryer. In a heavy bottom pot, pour in enough canola oil or peanut oil to reach a depth of about 3 to 4 inches. We're aiming for a temperature between 315 to maximum 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil reaches the desired temperature, it's time to fry those chicken balls. Take some of the marinated chicken and coat it thoroughly in the batter. When adding the battered chicken to the oil, hold it for a few seconds until it starts to float. This prevents it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Remember, don't overcrowd the fryer. Cook the chicken balls for 6 to 8 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through to ensure the batter is cooked evenly. With the first batch just about done, use a spider or a slotted spoon to carefully remove the chicken balls from the oil and let them drain on a baking tray. And there you have it, folks. Homemade crispy chicken balls that will blow your mind and your taste buds. Not only did we save a fortune by making this Chinese takeout favorite at home, but we also achieved a level of flavor and satisfaction that surpasses any restaurant experience. Remember, cooking is all about unleashing your creativity in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors, sauces, and even alternative ingredients. Make this recipe your own and tailor it to your personal preference. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delicious and cost-effective recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below, letting me know what your favorite Chinese takeout dish is. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this recipe inspires you to explore the world of home cooking. Until next time, stay beautiful, happy cooking.